Hey guys, as you know, this week we're going over budgeting and income and expenses. So I wanted to go over this question with you guys just as we would if we were in class. So I'll start off by reading it and then kind of talk about it. So it says, income is money that people earn and add to their bank accounts, and expense is money they take out of their accounts to spend. Help County Bank's budget advisor, Miss Trusty, give financial advice to her customers by calculating their incomes and expenses below. So income is money that people earn. So if you have a job or maybe your parents give you an allowance, that would be money, income money. Expenses are things that take out of your account to spend. So groceries, food, clothing, school supplies, video games, anything like that would be considered expenses. So for your parents, they probably have a mortgage expense, a car expense, food, things like that, just as the question is stating. So we're going to go over how income and expenses affect their account. So I'll start off by reading the question and then I'll go over it. Mr. Peabody earns $1,500 each week and his wife earns $750. Each week, they need to set aside $200 for food, $75 for gas, $650 for the mortgage, and $350 for savings. How much money will they have left each week? So I created this chart below, and I hope you found it helpful in creating this and solving the problem for you. Don't forget, you can always draw things out just as we would on a whiteboard or anything like that in the classroom. So feel free to use anything you have at home, a notebook, paper, whatever it may be. So we're going to start off by putting in their income. So they say the first sentence states, Mr. Peabody earns $1,500 a week. So that's going to be income. Each week his wife earns $750. So we'll put 750 here in income. And then it states they need to set aside $200 for food. So that would be an expense because that is money that's going to come out of the bank account to buy the food. $75 for gas, $650 for the mortgage, and $350 for savings. So these are all things that this family has budgeted to pull out of their bank account. That is what they're going to spend every month. And so now we're going to see what the difference is in their income and their expenses. So we'll add up this column. So $1,500 plus $750 is $2,250. So this is the amount of money that they have coming into their bank account at this time. Their expenses, if you add them all up, it equals $1,275. So this is the total amount of money that they will have pulling out of their bank account each month. And so in order to find out how much money they have remaining to spend on anything they would like to, we're going to subtract their income minus their expenses. So that total is going to be $975 is what the remaining amount would be. So this is the money that they're going to have left over to purchase whatever they desire, whatever they want. So maybe for you guys, it would be video games, or going and hanging out with your friends, or going out to eat, or anything like that that is left over for this family. So I hope this helps, and let me know if you guys have any questions, and I hope this helps go over the assessment that I've added.